we can see the press on the labor at the same time. The cutter will cut the labor and move the labor backward, and the labor will be pressed on the under the folding plate. Then the press plate will move forward in a cycle. The timing is connected seriously. So if the machine cut or folding we met problem, we should check which step we met problem. For example, for the mitre folding, the labor should be finished fold at the corner of the chair. If the fold position is not here, forward or backward, we need to adjust the guideway height position to make the folding correct.